Hi, I'm Bucks. Now here we have nothing new at the West Front. It's the German edition from Germany. It has Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision. Aspect ratio is 239. It's a 100 gig disc on the 4K, 50 gig on the Blu-ray. Runtime is 148 minutes. So let's take a look inside. I think this is one of the best movies in recent time. It won 4 Oscars: Best Foreign Movie, Best Music, etc. etc. Oh, there's a picture inside, one of the actors. So it's a Digibook thing. This is the spine, Western nichts Neues, Ultra HD, backside. Inside we have disc art. That's the 4K disc. And we have the Blu-ray disc in here with different artwork. And there's this booklet inside. This is in German, of course, but you can also get an English version. One of the actors. If you haven't seen this movie, you must. It's a fantastic war movie. One of the best I have seen. Yes. There we go. Nothing new at the West Front. 4K Digibook. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.